Welcome to our video tutorial on using free Lisp routines for utility functions. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful utility Lisp routines related to polylines that can make drafting your engineering drawings much easier. Before we dive into the routines, make sure to visit our free Lisp page on our website to download these Lisp files. Simply register and log in to get access. Once downloaded, you can place the FAS or DES files in any folder of your choice. To load these programs, use the Upload command in AutoCAD. Recreate polygon in clockwise direction. First up, we have a Lisp routine to change the direction of a polygon to clockwise. In many survey-related projects, polygons are expected to be in a clockwise direction only. With the CCP command, you can convert any polygon to a clockwise direction. Note that this program can be used only on closed polylines. You also need to specify a starting point for freshly creating the polyline in a clockwise direction. Using the Upload command, load the Lisp in your CAD package. Type CCP at the command prompt. Select a closed polygon and specify a point. The program will erase the existing polyline and create a new polyline starting from the specified point in the clockwise direction. Offset polyline on either side of selected line. Next, we have a Lisp program to offset multiple polylines on either side. This is particularly useful in residential layout projects when you need road end lines from center lines. Using this Lisp, you can offset all center lines on either side of the polyline by specifying the right side distance and left side offset distance. Using the Upload command, load the Lisp in your CAD package. Type OM at the command prompt. Select all the polylines you want to offset on either side. Specify the right side and left side distance. The program will offset all the selected polylines on either side with the given inputs. Sort polylines by length. Our third Lisp routine helps you sort polylines by length. This is useful in infrastructure engineering drawings where you might need to delete small polylines. For example, if you have broken lines that are too small to identify, this program can sort and move all polylines shorter than a specified length to another layer. Using the Upload command, load the Lisp in your CAD package. Type SRPL at the command prompt. Specify the distance below which you want to sort the polylines. Select all the polylines you want to check. In this sample, we'll use 100 as the polyline length. The program will change the color of polylines shorter than the specified length to the layer smaller. Export polyline coordinates. The fourth Lisp routine is extremely useful for land survey drawings. It allows you to export the coordinates of each vertex of a polyline into a CSV file. This is particularly handy when you need the coordinates for alignment lines representing roads. Using the Upload command, load the relevant Lisp file. Type VEXP at the command prompt. Select the polylines whose vertices you want to export. The program will export the X, easting, Y, northing, and Z elevation coordinates of each vertex into a CSV file. Decurve a polyline. Lastly, we have a Lisp routine to decurve polylines. This program eliminates arcs within polylines, converting them into straight-line segments. This is useful when polylines have curve shapes due to the fillet operation. Using the Upload command, load the program. Type DCUR at the command prompt. Select the polylines containing arcs that you wish to decurve. The program will identify and eliminate the arcs, leaving you with polylines comprised solely of straight-line segments. We hope you find these Lisp routines helpful for your projects. Don't forget to download these free Lisp files from our website. We also customize Lisp routines as per your requirements. Send a sample drawing to info@esurveying.net if you need a custom Lisp. Thanks for watching and happy drafting. Contact eSurveying Softtech if you want to see a free demonstration of our Road Infra Suite or Water Infra Suite. Visit our website for more tutorials and free resources.